Hi everyone, this is Kona and welcome to week 13. So what are we up to in week 13? Let's take a look. So the biggest thing for week 13 is just the numeric data analysis. So I didn't put it all on this one page just because it would have looked kind of ugly. Instead, if you look, numeric data analysis is right there. I mean, you could also link to it from here, and it looks like this. So this row right here is going to cover the one sample and all of the different two sample t-tests, so the independent and paired. This is the lecture part, so this is kind of the explaining what it is and how to do a claim and that type of thing. And then here's your mini tab on how to actually analyze it. You then have your ANOVA notes. This will cover what the ANOVA is and why you would do it. And then we've got the example for the mini tab. So this week is all about this. This is everything you're doing for the week. So how does that play out? Well, if you look at it, what we're going to do, so no quiz this week either. So woohoo, no quiz. We do have discussion 12. I'll come back to that in a minute. But so numeric data analysis, you've got a hypothesis testing with means mini-tab homework and ANOVA mini-tab homework. So based on what you learn here, you're going to be doing, let's see right here, hypothesis testing with the means. So this is the one sample t-test and the two different independent and paired sample t-tests. So all three are covered. This is also worth 30 points, so this is a big one. So make sure you get this. If you have questions, if you have problems, make sure and ask, all right? Because you want to make sure that you do good on this one. Then the other one that goes along with that is the ANOVA mini-tab homework. So similar, you only get one attempt, and ask if you're having questions or you need help with it. Then along with that, so you've got the two homeworks that relate back to this stuff. So one homework on the first row, one homework on the second row. Then what you're going to do is take your data that you collected. So this is your personal data. This isn't something I'm giving you. This is the data you collected from your stores. And you are going to do two sample t-tests. So whether or not you're using an independent or paired is going to depend on your data and how you collected your data and which types of things you picked, but you'll be doing either a two sample independent or a paired sample t-test with your data, and that is project 2. So for here, basically what you're doing, and you're only going to have one claim. So you are not having multiple tests. It's basically you're picking one test that you're using. So what to include on this document you submit, what is your claim, is your claim the null alternative? So here's all of the stuff that you need to answer for that. And that's pretty much the project, hopefully by this point. But this is, I guess, probably easier than some of the previous mini-tab analysis in that the only analysis you're really doing for that is that the only thing, I mean, basically you're just looking at it and doing either that paired or independent samples t-test. That's just one test. So enjoy that this one isn't going to be a bad one. So here you go. Here is the work for this week. Hopefully not too bad of a week again. If you have questions or you need help, let me know.